Nana Jantuah of Enshira FM, NDC journalist Nana Jantuah, Jantuah Bonohene, abe clash with John Mahama for the extension of Jantuah Yohonu as IGP for the next 2 years. The Umuchiremwa, then Mahama Ayan Ghana Hanamosan. O abe clash with John Mahama. Hard one. Memon Chiribu no Chirewaje Amame. Ewo comment section. Ahi Penyah Broke Media. Mes was say need more. Obey like if video not about subscribers and somebody click notification for the latest updates. Now better watch and damn me. Ewo comment section. Also baswa. No share for so nya bi ahwe. Et wonim nipa ba kwa an appointment no. Na echinye ewo ho. Na impe be na ewo ehho asem kan IGP Jantuah Yohonu. Because ono no obekwa retirement this year 2025 year mu. Ana man no kwa ahomegye mu. ATM an appointment as IGP no. Na nipa be see the Mahama. Debi. Papa wa ya mere. As for you go ya tibo bi wonya hye. For this in China point 3 for call and no pension. E ba ka somewhere 2nd April 2025 in ana krata allegedly krata bi free Mahama akach e ba anu emu kire said this inquiry ya IGP Jantuah Yohonu na djuma no ye beje amen papa from because Jantuah Yohonu no kana say me December year or call retirement. December year na djuma as police Penyah na say police adjuma be na Ghana hanom no or kwa ahomegye mu age akache no or kwa akohome or go retirement. Age hu be yan say na or call retire there be for the pafoforo. But out of nowhere, ebusia enu echi ye ana Mahama ebe press conference na e ho no eno be ma IGP Jantuah Yohonu congratulations trim say was extending appointment no to the next 2 years. Just say yes, extended Jantuah Yohonu appointment no or initially statement if Mahama catch by say yenim say December nyam ya December e be wura me ye ana IGP Jantuah Yohonu or call retirement or kwa homegye mu edika ye or kwa homegye no den ka ye mana ko tena fi ne abefan bafoforo but statement na Mahama de buy na say or be contradict was I be make you 10 be as I be man 2 years extension and Mahama be kan same no e won mu say nana ya Jantuah I was a presidential staff or chire mu say Mahama is a wama IGP Yohonu tete over 2 years extension no yam first so born more MP before and I was like it time we try say me hu nyansa was more kan yi mu say yam first so born more MP before so obu na make appointment for Mahama and as yam first so born more MP before say on what grounds and yam first so born more MP on what grounds on what basis on what condition on what perimeters should you blame MPP for this Mahama na dey na ho and we make all my appointment o si am first born more MP before say dey Jantuah Yohonu town say MP before na den just say and someone na ya Jantuah kan kra dey minim be be no ka say fi ba minim say no ahwi asra dey minim na efa do na say the president John Mahama wa ye no eno ana Nana Jantuah ene Bonohene abe clash with him
yera John Mahama waya de bia my disappointed in him this morning my ferry pa meniawu if say yera John Mahama aya de bia mensusu se e wo se oyesa but waye na catch you say oman ni yesum Ghana yensum unipa on say yemubi asem bi ho aye ka onti ase but they are not menka because me pesa wo ti ase eya me ka na me de ato for dachi enti se ade ni moa Ghana meba be catch you say moa Ghana hey o support NDC open John Mahama asema emfa me ho because President John Mahama is president of Ghana. President John Mahama disappointed me pa say but enye me wanwa because ɛno nti na yɛmu bi ka sɛ third term na mahyɛ ase a mu pushi na John Mahama yɛma ne third term no yɛmu bi ka sɛ daabi because amanyɔfo nsua deɛ and I know President John Mahama me is so disappointed. So disappointed. Me say be am pen na Jantuah asem. But me mpesa obepe ma asem. Me mpesa obepe ma asem. Wo de ati asem na make no say yo say nyo wo de tie. Dache asem na make ne ne no wo be di matem ne emfa because me adidi atem say emfa me ho. De obeka bia no mahuri atra. De obeka bia no enkame. Me adidi atem na time. Adidi atem kumi anka mpi before ne di kan kumi. Enti wo adidi atem no eyem kwada asem ma me. Yera John Mahama o ma tumi akọ utrim. O ma utrim aye ode. Yera John Mahama o ma tumi akọ utrim. O ma tumi no. Ghana for kasa waye ade no tumi ni ye wura utrim. President, I am disappointed in you. I am so disappointed. Me time ye yi dampari free hono. Time ye dampari free hono. Aye de IGP Yohonu baye. Ena ye mu bi ka say na papai or ko retirement. Bananya nwanwa because minim say no mu pese papa no ne retirement mu no omo ma ne 2 years na minim. Enuntina because dampering the 60 years. Enuntina ni ye mu bi ka say na Yohoni enche no ko retirement. NDC for ni bi be di attempt say oh or ko retirement you be you foforo ema me ka say unnim de wo ka because me say eduru wa omo be fechire ama John Mahama president asa extending the 2 years. I told an NDC guy I know didi matem say yera IGP Yohonu no the reason ne pan ne say onim so or ko retirement by ya shane boss say be extending no ene esi hwe ye kan sem bi obi awon hye dan tiase na ede nkoa ne e pa che say IGP wey e baaye IGP baaye crime akosoro crime IGP wey obaye enyoma security issues obeka ya me say enoma mienu a ema me ma yewra John Mahama 70% no enyoma mienu a me de 10 marks was security and gamsey obia woni me ka asam ne say eba security a yewra John Mahama ne IGP no moa no edurume bi me ka kire ne say IGP enyo NDC for be dia me time no na hwan me time was IGP experience but I don't think say IGP where ye adwuma e wo say yes am 2 years na nyama na ye ka ye no ene na abamu no I'm trying to find sa the no social media NDC ni bedi matem so wo de bibia na IGP we call retirement no we are John Mahama minim no o extend me catch so oboa me so minim John Mahama say ni nyina wi a ye be ma no a extending 2 years enra ene ye de beto ho sa council police council ne tina ase no o magia tum say obi a wadi 60 years no yen sama ni 2 years ebaya ended be 1 hour and yes President John Mahama sagia to me say IGP ono kra yen hu so ni policy nsema wo ye no ye mani 2 years biem na wa wutie mi politicians ma catch those say and until they say mo ya na mo sori anopa mo ka say na John Mahama na peti ye ma na third term no ye mo bu gina say politicians omo ye the same omo nsesa na enipa etwa mo ho ahia no ema sabi omo ye nyoma bi a sabi asenyansa nim sa nyoma ni bi na ka che na akufo ado a mumu bi didi attempt at that time and you can tell me say mu amatwa free na Akufo Addo hu mu hweye na papa yi mu be man anim agu ase mu nka no kran mu anka any the same thing na mehu because African politicians omu ye power drunk na yera John Mahama tie enkofu atwa ho ahia de omu be kamfo because omu obi epebi adi ye mu bi maka kirew me ka kire MPP for say abane sesa na Jantuah meye adwuma e common de me once me da so ye madwuma NDC mu lusu na Jantuah be ye adwuma e common de wo a wo ye DC wo a wo ye minister wo a wo ye CEO no wo na wo wadwuma e bebo me madwuma mbo me se me se me ye adwuma we ya for 20 years a meye adwuma ye se me jai multimedia menye adwuma ye because a common de me because I have the right certificate. Why we hear DC ni minister when they come do and MPP for no. On some way mobile. Ministers need DC is now no more MPP. Omo no maya hand time. On some way mobile. Now mo kasakra na yemfiu. Na say minister ba ko a o friend kra edin. Oba also my ready for interviews. Minister now friend cross why busy and then why ready for radio interviews. No MPP minister. Why you ready? And so Satan no friend now. The arrogance. Jenny a hand tire or no bekasa. And then why you ready or baby akasa. Then I get to a platform now no must me NDC ni no. So platform in the ya na be pe and MPP for ni pe bi akasa. Into NDC for now monso maye ma adwen say mo support President Mahama say IGP Yohonu a yehu so as a security person the warrior as IGP. Near say 2 years because police council I recommend it. Me say African leaders ebedin semhuna na ye omo matwa mu ho ahia. African leaders. So we say African leader be a power drunker and omo matwa mu ho ahia no e na yesa. She obatan ye nim so obatan Tanzania mami fanidi to so Tanzania mami ye nim so obatan ti Magufuli ewu ya wo koye no ye nim se obatan betimi aye nyoma nansei otimi ama ye omutu aba no anya be 91% oba January 7 Metro bibi wa ha say yema IGP ene da so no yema IGP eye dampare nto aso because na Ghana fo anije but na police force dampare e npa bonini papa ni free wanyoma bebre asia dampare time na police fo nyina kwam Ashanti region ena make dampare yi omu nyina free kwanim bibia nsi IGP Yohonu by na yenyan kofo bushiri e de white handkerchief police for there were no order and I knew say papa no ontimi control police for because of selfish interest. Go and check the murder cases under IGP. The insecurity upa check it the insecurity issues onukra dampare IGP no nyame nko a boko issue nka omubonichuo ne car start check it. Let's be careful. President John Mahama, NDC for no mpe wasam do make catch yourself. Oh why BBNC on our to me. But ye ha ye mu bi enkrofo tie yen. Ye mu bi enkrofo tie yen. Enkrofo tie yen eno to abama o. MPP for ni nya problem nyina because omusu se na wo kra wa bribe me. Enso minimo minhia woda. Enso ni ese wa bribe me. Ye jina mu kan no kresa de be ankofo be hu se wo ye ni papa amania me hu wo Ashanti region because you say me NDC ni na wo na bribe me wan so onfa sika once the crown bre me da I don't know you IGP ade na wa ye no I am disappointed but me can way out for the record. Me expect to so obesisa because minim say nipa na atwa ho ahia ne say de why and why ade onya ade and I'm saying this and na the 26th November me say IGP 2 years na why what force wa mak dear near sa extending no. It will hunt you. It will hunt you. 2028, ube we need ye, NDC for be we need ye. But sanyo man kitin we na ashase etete vote so. Na na kufu ado shase ni eka no mfi 2020. City ni shase ehwaye no. Na obvious esisa. O shase ye Ghana for bowo baso. Yera John Mahama. Nkofu etwa ho ahia de ometimi akamfo wo. Ba ye mu bia Yankopon asoma ye se ye me Ghana adwuma no. Me se na no pei. IGP ade na waye no. Wa mani awu. I am disappointed respectfully as a president. I am disappointed in you. Enya fe ebufuo emma eye hi na de hi ne se wo ka asem kire amanyoni na oye de wo pa. One abeka wasam wo ba foforo one abeka for letters ne beto Yera John Mahama one abeka wasam say star obi awie public service na ye extend no wetwam wona do krata abayo enyame ya oba ya na wo ye nhwehwe animu e ma nipa hu se wasa kira no obe ye ni say dia is too early o enkofo be kanfo a ye kanfo o the way out the Nebeka Fasala Tenetu or no be a making can be your kind. Let's be careful. Until they be a catch we your Penyah, they be also Yano Panoa kind 1 Kings 22. Ahab a deep for bear 400 Obiasu on Kontokwa. You say about JM is our hope, JM is our hope, JM is our hope. Hey, a bear sir, because Ghana for Yachum. Ghana for ye betimi aka no kre ne pa akere no yesua ena nkofo atwa ho asia no bia ba nso bia besere emre bi me ne ba omia yewura ba omia di nkomo asema de wo se be kache no ba fancy efiri ho no bepe ma asem o se nana watimi aka no kre na me pese mete ba mente yemu bi ye de ye kra bo afode ama Ghana o. And as I say, no, the obetimi aye and say obebuyen and abekuyen. The akabiano enye hubi. Dear, project the letter quickly, please. On one kasani kasemu, President John Mahama buy or say post-retirement contract, public service. IGP issue a public service, public. Or some or minor. And now why would they krata buy say? Sir, dear now, you obi be 60. Yeah, some man pub there be the other one. And so now the way about. Ube jai. And your boy and say share, you're John Mahama. You're John Mahama. Yet the susu se was sachra. And manin yet to say utrimu yawode, because yama utrimu yawode. Bekenkai 2nd April 2025. Bra Facebook na bekenkai bi. 2nd April 2025. Yera Callistus Mahama, Secretary to the President, and a trust Akratano. 2nd April, also suspension of the grant of contract appointments. Mamen kenkai, also the grant of post-retirement contract appointment to retired public service staff has been suspended with immediate effect. 2. Consequently, all requests for such appointment will no longer be considered. 3. Kindly take note of this directive and ensure strict compliance. Mamin kai mi twi nchiraw. Yera John Mahama enam ni secretary so katre yen Ghana for say obi asom public service, police, CEOs, eye aban adwuma. Na wedi 60 years no. Na yes extend this start 2 years ka ho no. Or no as of 2nd April no. We twam. Enti mu amode saa hyehyɛ ne ba say na Jantuah na oye CEO of maybe Gihok. Na wedi 60 years but na adwuma penti. Yemma ni 2 years no ose saa de no ontie watwam enti obia make make sure say a straight. Police Council for Kotnasia, IGP by December 28. Now we're 60 years no. Yewra John Mahama no aka say saade ne yetwamu no. Ono atintesuo sa akwa kotafre. Ka kire ye say IGP nkwa nanim nyansa wo police service ho. Entiensa ma ne 2 years ntoa so. Ono ase saade no watwam but wasa kotam and reverse no aba be yes saade we. Then you it means president you don't have principles. It means President John Mahama you don't have principles. Only principles. You don't have principles. You can principles say at the end enye. Me I can say I have principle. I can speak against MPP. I can speak against NDC because now no some now me can hear MPP. Make me the same thing because I don't fear anybody. You don't have principles, President John Mahama. If indeed you have principles, sir, please, and please, go by your own directive. Say, Umma Obia with this 60 years, public servant, and to also. IGP is a public servant. Please revoke. And yes, sir, Makenwie, Unaye president, Unko for Beka Sawaya, no problem. But I can tell you, posterity will judge you.
Isra 104.5
me tetin se me na mahu krata bi sa krata no na free presidency the office of the president Mampanyi John Mahama ne na ban ho a I'll be sad to send them meti asem foforo
you can we also be reset your mind
nyame adoma aka just hey obeko in retirement in ben Yohonu IGP December Walk retirement. The amount is Mampanyi John Mahama. Any police council, some police council no, one a done and you're the vice president. One appoint IGP, and you're the president. So by extension, say walk retirement. What the battery more come Jim near Bemana to Aswa. A decision of the president. Because the vice president chairs the police council. Common sense. The common amenudino. Meanwhile, men cabwa men kakwasea where IP address system to me, but me educated Ghana for me so can you because armed forces no man paying na da no one airplane. So the bar stops with Mampanyi no. About police council no, the vice president Jena no Poku and a dano, the bar stops with her. And this IGPB Nemrason says or Kwahunjim near Kase extension by extension a year Mampanyi and the vice president our police council no and a person IGP Yohonu what was so. The can that what was many problem. So we ya Juma a so near see at one swa. Many problem here. Menyama sum jena mi piobi metatamia mini problem. But mi problem is here Benjamin Payini John Mahama no flip no floppy. Tenkomana menudi no. Mechanic.
You can we also be reset your mind.
Will be a flippy no floppy. Want to mean take a decision a concrete decision. Me decision here the Americano and the Hodu and you will be able to take a decision net. China was say Masia Daniel Butu men kind of meka no. So in my first school the tab book. And I'm sure you man the pen and paper. What try I say want to mean take a decision man. John me Facebook says here. Kratabi me there 2 Facebook says here. Making kind of tree. No what ye munsem. Dated April 2, 2025. The Amofra is 2nd April, no, 2025. I feel we may April Bosome, Easter Bosome. Office of the President. Facebook Live. We better join me. See our screen so. Was it suspension of the grant of contract appointments?
107.3.
Your person can you say? Sir, your contract to be someone year Juma. Now or year Juma noa. Nemra so now was say Memra so may call retirement your age limit for BBA. Chief Justice 70 years. Enti mama yin Chief Justice. After 70 years no, mampayin is 1 year extension bi ama no. Memra so a won ko. Nyansa ni ba ku 14. E mampayin krata na o choro you. And to assist the grant of post retirement contract appointments to retired public service staff has been suspended with immediate effect.
Etumpan.
Dedi kan no mampayin e kan me.
Jeniakasa.
That means that we are public servant. Obi a we are by juma enim. O mena so say say we call retirement. 2nd April 2025. Mampayin na setting clear. Sa wo mena so a enya fe na my extension mame. O mena so a kwa ya be mo akofie. Enya wo kwa na nyansa wo tim.
Jeniakasa.
Was say such appointments will no longer be conceded. That means that one you to unim nyansa sign, wonim dia sign, one you to
Jeniakasa.
well, we are 0.3 no sign stating the clear. Since our directives no man paying John Mahama, what dear Bano will be any so compliance.
Jeniakasa.
Umpo, as a would so, and I see different compliance. No. And it's a man paying no truck away 2nd April 2025. Near November 2025. Na yet say IGP Yohonu o say extension what way you cut an so o say extension e the ama IGP a na sembisa ne say o ka semwa with all respect to the seat of the president Ghana for new ana
Say anya o te ban e bi ni mpansa.
Akaba with all respect to the seat of the president some ampayiri sa ade we here that means some previous will take a decision what percent Ghana for taking it serious and on percent Ghana for fan say yakabisa keke yaka gum and yakeka gum yatutu gum niako because yakasa Ghana for short memory. We don't have short memory. We don't have short memory. Cancer man paying John Toman my young cra. We don't have short memory bio. And to show man paying no percent Ghana for only say when a man paying what take a decision a hodu yanyina yeni akire yemfa obuo ma no sama mpani bia batena konya so a ye this our respect no e the man because oye mampani otwumu tan ye mampani ene e woka asem a woni so
Etumpan.
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media. Accra.